जहाँ बन गया तू, whatever may come, your heart I will choose, forever I do. जहाँ बन गया तू, जहाँ बन गया
The day I fell in love with you, Anmol, was when you surprised me on my birthday. Usually, मेरे दोस्त मेरे हर बर्थडे पर रात के 12 बजे आते हैं मुझे विश करने, पर वो साल कोई नहीं आया था. एंड मुझे याद है मैंने आपको बताया, यार कोई नहीं आया मुझे विश करने, एंड आई वाज एक्टिंग लाइक अ बेबी. सुबह जब मैं उठा तब मैंने पहली आवाज़ आपकी सुनी, गुड मॉर्निंग, एंड I was like, what is going on? I was on my bed, mom, dad, you and everybody were there, and you all asked me to come out. तब मैंने देखा मेरे सब दोस्त लोग आए थे. I was surprised. That was just a start. Then the best part, जब मैंने वीडियो देखा जो आपने मेरे लिए बनाया था, that is when I fell in love with you. You took the effort to get in touch with all my close family members and friends and made a heart-touching video of mine which gave me a very sweet vibe of you. The best part I love about you is you always surprise me with priceless moments which is not material, and I can cherish those moments for my life. You're very caring, beautiful, and जैसे आपका नाम है अनमोल, आप वाकई अनमोल हो. I love you, Anmol.
Just want to thank everybody for being here and thank you for choosing us.
Vishal, I knew the second I met you that there was something about you that I wanted. Turns out it was not something about you. It was just you. I'm lucky that I could choose you not only as my best friend but as a life partner to share every happiness, every tear, every milestone and every breath with. You have the most beautiful heart in this world, and I couldn't be happier to say it's only mine. I love you beyond measure and more than you can imagine, more than I knew I was capable of loving. Once in a while, right in the middle of ordinary life, love gives us a fairy tale, and this one is ours. Thank you for being you and being mine. I love you.
लाडाची लाडाची ग आवड हिला चंद्राची चंद्राची ग नवराई माझी नवसाची नवसाची ग अप्सरा जशी इंद्राची इंद्राची ग
मेरा सजना एक दिल है, एक जान है, दोनों तुझ पे, दोनों तुझ पे कुर्बान है। एक मैं हूँ, एक ईमान है, दोनों तुझ पे, हाँ तुझ पे, दोनों तुझ पे कुर्बान है। एक दिल मेरे इश्क के हर मकाम में, हर सुबह में, हर शाम में एक रुतबा है, एक शान है, दोनों तुझ पे, हाँ तुझ पे, दोनों तुझ पे, हाँ तुझ पे, दोनों तुझ पे कुर्बान है। एक दिल है, एक जान है, दोनों तुझ पे, दोनों तुझ पे कुर्बान है।
Mama and Papa, my wedding weekend is here, and I don't think it has truly hit me yet that you won't be there. We talked and dreamt about this day for so many years together, so the fact that it has finally come and you are not here is so surreal. I'm thankful for you too, that you have prepared me for this day for 25 years I had you here with me. You have showed me the importance of love and friendship and the true meaning of it in sickness and in health. I know how happy and excited you are that I have finally found my person to live my rest of the life with. The truth is, I have felt you during this whole process, and I know you are here with me. I have struggled with the best way to keep your memory alive on my special day and to make sure everyone gets a feel of how kind and how loving parents and friends you were. I miss you so very much. Come down from heaven a day and be with us as a family again. I love you with all my heart. Your little girl.
जताए, कैसे पास मेरे आए, कैसा प्यार तू जताए, कैसे पास मेरे आए, मैं निभाऊं तेरे दिल की ये चोरियां, मैं तेरी हो गईया, हाँ मैं तेरी हो गईया, हाँ मैं तेरी हो गईया, हाँ मैं तेरी हो गईया। तेरी लाग ऐसी लागी, रैन सारी सारी जागी, तेरी लाग कैसी माहिया।